Hi everyone, today we are making Azuki Gayu, a traditional Japanese porridge made with only 3 ingredients: Azuki red beans, rice, and salt. In a pot, combine Azuki red beans and 2 cups of water. Bring to a boil for 2 minutes, then strain. And return the beans to the pot with 3 cups of fresh water and simmer on low heat for 45 to 50 minutes. Strain the beans, but retain the cooked water this time. Add additional water to make a total of 4 cups of liquid. Pour the liquid back in the pot and add the washed and strained rice and cooked beans. Season with salt, stir, and cook on low heat for 30 to 40 minutes until thickened and rice and beans are soft. Azuki Gayu is a simple but tasty and healthy dish that warms you up on a cold day.
美味しい。美味しいね。